My name is Hineraumoa Te Apatu. I live here in Hamilton. I live over in the Queenwood area. I'm Ngāti Kahungunu, Ngāi Tahu, Ngā Puhi and Rangitane. I'm a registered nurse and retired. My last employment was working at Wintec, working in the School of Health, teaching the future nurses of tomorrow. And also being a registered nurse, I basically was very involved with New Zealand Māori Nurses Runanga, which is the partner within the New Zealand Nurses Organisation. This issue that has occurred, most times I would be on top of it because it's a health issue, but it didn't work out that way. It was something a lot of us didn't understand and realise. But to deal with this COVID-19 was frightening because as a nurse I had no idea how I was going to, if I got it, how I was going to deal with it. Life became very pleasurable. I didn't want to die. I think I embraced the lockdown because it meant I would live. The joys of living were very precious. So the phone was my social contact with everyone, and I used it all the time. And even the batteries went down and we'd have to put it back away. But it was the only way we could get in contact and have that social interaction with all those people that were important to us. But also I belonged to the korowai class here. So that meant I could do my korowai and put it out. Made many mistakes. I did it and I undid it, I did it and I undid it, but it was something I could do. What Roa did was basically advise us to keep ourselves safe, to keep ourselves in our little bubbles, and basically also to look after us. They contact us. They had a telephone tree, we were on it, to make sure that we were all right, to make sure was there anything we needed they could get for us. It was marvellous. And then to drop off food and other things, health needs, disinfectant and that. That's what Roa did. They looked after us in the best way they could. I do believe that life ends when it's your time to go, not through any illness or disease. That is not of our making. And we need to be able to treasure a God-given life that we've been given. We may pass on, but let's enjoy what time we've got left and make the most of it.